So this video is for those people who are having trouble sharing to Facebook because you're getting a Facebook error when you do try to do that. That is not the Buzz Club doing that. That's Facebook, and for some reason, especially on accounts that are out of the North America area, it tends to not work. And I wish we had a fix for it, but we don't at the moment. But I have a workaround. So what we're going to do is set up a workaround that says when you share to Twitter, you will also share to a Facebook page. And then you can just let me know each month that you've done that, and I will award you the points for that. Our VA will be happy to do that. So make sure, first of all, your Twitter account is set up in Social Buzz Club so that this is red here. And then you also want to be logged into your Twitter account. So log into the Twitter account. And this is Conscious Social that I'm going to log in to. And also log into the Facebook account and think about the page that you want to connect to it. Okay? And it is a business page we're talking about, not your personal profile. But once you've logged into Twitter, once you've logged into Facebook, and this is the page I'm going to be sharing to Transform Today through a site called IFTTT. IFTTT. What's IFTTT? That is if this, then that. It's kind of similar to Zap or Zapier. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry. It's even easier. And you create an account. Okay, so I'm going to create an account here. And then we'll show you what you do once you create an account. And the way to create an account is you click on New to IFTTT and click Sign Up. I selected email. That's what I'm doing here. I put in an email address and a password. You could continue with Facebook if you wanted, but I just like to go straight to email. And then, of course, do whatever they say to do here on the CAPTCHA, the verification that you're a real person. Okay, now we can log in with that password, and boom! No, I don't want to do a pro. I want you to use the free. You get 3 applets for free. And then what we do is we go over to Create, and it's an if this, then that. So what the if is going to be is if a tweet is posted to a certain Twitter account that has a hashtag SBC or SB Club, that's the hashtag we automatically append to a tweet on all of your tweets. You don't get a choice about it. Then you can have it post to a Facebook page. And it works really nicely whether you schedule it or you share something from Social Buzz Club directly in the moment. And it does take like an hour for it to find it and post it. So don't expect it to do it immediately, which is nice. So it'll come an hour or so later than when you initially tweet it. So, all right, we're going to choose a service, and that it was if the Twitter account, and then there's a bunch of recipes already in here. So this is it. This is the one. New tweet by you with a hashtag. That's the trigger. That's what we want to say. When this hashtag is triggered, is posted on my feed, then we want something to happen. Okay, so now it wants you to connect that Twitter account. All right, so connect it. Remember, I had you log in, so I'm logged into Conscious Social. If that's not the right one, sign out and log into the right one. Otherwise, authorize the app. And once it connects with your Twitter account, then you can enter the hashtag that we want it to find, which is SB Club. And, of course, you put the # in there, and then you create the trigger. So the trigger is if a new tweet by you, which is the Twitter account you are going to start sharing to, has that hashtag, then we want it to go onto a certain Facebook page. Okay, so we would choose a service. What service did I just say? Facebook. And of course, it's a page. And you would create a link post. Okay? And you would connect to your Facebook page that you want it to go on to. And of course, you're going to, you don't have to allow notifications, but you can. And you would want to connect, agree to connect, and then you would choose the Facebook page that you want it to connect to, and that you want it to publish your tweet from Social Buzz Club from, and just leave everything there that it says yes to, and it's creating that, and now you've linked it, and that's pretty much it. Pretty good, right? The only other thing is you put the link in the URL that shows up in there, and it could just be that. I just create the action to just have the link in there, and it'll populate everything else. So you can change it up anytime. Come back in here. So continue. You can title this Twitter to Facebook page for SBC, for Social Buzz Club, and then voila, anytime I tweet out to the Conscious Social from the Social Buzz Club, it's going to publish, and I'll show you what that looks like. If I go to my Laura Rubenstein page, which is a business page, this is not my profile, and you can see that 11 hours ago, I posted this, and that's how it looks. It puts that whole tweet in there, and you wouldn't even know it was really a tweet, right? So this one was done that way as well. So when you schedule them out, they look like normal Facebook posts, and that is our workaround. It's pretty exciting. So I hope you try it and enjoy it with IFTTT. And then each month you can email our Buzz VA, or I will let the Buzz VA know that you're going to be posting somewhere between 5 and 10. And you know what? We'll give you the benefit of the doubt. We'll give you 10 points a month for your efforts, but please do somewhere between 5 and 10 shares to Twitter, and that will go to a Facebook page. All right. I think this will work for you. Thanks.